Would letter or email would be the fastest way to get a message to your professor.
Jane and Peter have 3 children. They are 4, 13 and 15 years old. They only have one son. Who is their youngest child? How old is their middle child?
Which would be better to report the population of a major global city, 100 millions or billions? This work is due for submission, 1 month from 15th June, on what date it be submitted?
Who would you consult to treat a fear of crowded places, a philosopher or psychologist?
How would most people travel to work each day, in big cities like Hong Kong, Tokyo and New York? Would a supermarket, a cafe or bookstore probably have the widest range of products available? In which room of their home would someone usually wash their clothes? Despite all the advances in equality between the sexes, would more men or women play professional football?
Which major brand of science deals with classification of human beings?
What is the economic sector that deals with the farming,